the 2023 Flagstaff Micro Lite 25FBLS. On the outside, you'll find a sleek fiberglass exterior, a power awning with LED lighting, and pass-through storage for all your camping essentials. Step inside to a welcoming rear living area with a trifold sofa, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator, plus solid surface countertops and plenty of cabinetry for storage. Bathroom offers a spacious shower with glass door, foot flush toilet, vanity, and linen storage, designed for both comfort and convenience. At the front, the private bedroom features a queen bed with overhead cabinets, dual wardrobes. Visit Camp Easy RV or call 979-265-8166 to schedule your tour today.